Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to change payment methods on YouTube TV. Use your preferred device to open the YouTube TV app or visit the YouTube TV website. If you are not already signed in, sign into your YouTube TV account using your credentials. Once you are signed in, navigate to the settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or icon in the top right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, look for a section related to billing, subscriptions, or payments. Click on it to access your billing information. Within the billing or payment section, you should see your current payment method. Look for an option to update or change the payment method. If you want to add a new payment method, select the option to add a new payment method. Enter the required details such as the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. After adding the new payment method or updating the existing one, make sure to save the changes. Some platforms may require you to verify the new payment method. Follow any on-screen prompts or instructions to complete the verification process. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.